Molar conductivity. So we'll discuss about molar conductivity, what is the definition of molar conductivity and the formula to calculate molar conductivity. Molar conductivity denoted by lambda m. It is the conductance due to the ions produced by the solution which contains 1 mole of electrolyte. In a simple manner, it is a conductance due to the ions produced by 1 mole of electrolyte. If V is meter cube is the volume of 1 mole of electrolyte, then lambda m is given by the formula K into V, where K is conductivity in Siemens per meter and V is the volume. Let us consider the conductance of 1 meter cube of electrolyte. If C is the concentration in mole per meter cube, then lambda m is equals to K by C. So let us consider this table, number of moles. If C is the number of moles, then it is occupying 1 meter cube. 1 mole occupying how much volume? So cross multiplication, volume of 1 mole is equals to 1 into 1 divided by C. So V is equals to 1 by C. What is the unit of lambda m? Lambda m unit is Siemens meter square per mole. Let us consider some of the formulas to calculate lambda m depending upon the units. First one, if C is in moles per liter and K is in Siemens per centimeter. So we know that lambda m is equals to K by C. So K unit is Siemens per centimeter and C unit is moles per liter. We know that 1 liter is equals to 1000 cm cube. Put this value in the equation. Lambda m is equals to K Siemens per centimeter. C, it is moles per liter. So liter value is 1 liter is equals to 1000 cm cube. That value is substituted here. Moles per liter, it is 1000 cm cube. Further simplification, lambda m is equals to K into 1000 into Siemens per centimeter into cm cube divided by C mole. Look at here, this 1000 is taken upside so that it will become 1000 here, and cm cube, this total it is taken upside, it is 1000 cm cube. This will be as such Siemens per centimeter, and C mole is also same as it is. On further simplification, lambda m is equals to K into 1000 divided by C, Siemens centimeter square per mole. Second case, to calculate the lambda m, if C is in moles per liter and K is in Siemens per meter, we know that lambda m is equals to K by C. So K unit is Siemens per meter and C unit is moles per liter. And we know that 1 liter is equals to 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. Substitute this value. Lambda m is equals to K into Siemens per meter divided by C. It is moles per liter. So liter is substituted by 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. Further simplification, lambda m is equals to K into Siemens per meter into meter cube divided by C into 1000 mole. So therefore, lambda m is equals to K divided by C into 1000. So unit is Siemens meter square per mole. So look at here, we have Siemens per meter is there, and here meter cube is there. Remaining is meter square, and this mole is taken upside, it will become per mole. So this is the formula to calculate molar conductivity if C is in moles per liter and K is in Siemens per meter. Determination of conductivity of electrolytic solution. It is done by using Wheatstone bridge network. Wheatstone bridge network. It consists of two resistance, known resistance R3 and R4, and a variable resistance R1, and thus conductivity cell having an unknown resistance R2. The Wheatstone bridge is fed by an oscillator which is indicated by O, which is AC source. P is a suitable detector. The bridge is balanced when no current is passes through the detector. Under balanced conditions, R1 divided by R2 is equals to R3 divided by R4. That implies R2 is equals to R1 into R4 divided by R3, where R2 is the resistance of the electrolytic solution, that we are interested to calculate. Using the value of this resistance, the conductivity of electrolytic solution can be calculated by using the formula K is equals to G star divided by R2. So we are interested to calculate the conductivity. This can be calculated by using this formula G star divided by R2. G star is a cell constant which is constant for a particular cell, particular conductivity cell, and R2 is the resistance of the conductivity cell that is calculated by using this formula, by using this Whetstone bridge network. So this value is known, so that means we can easily calculate the conductivity of the cell can be calculated. Problems on molar conductivity. Formula to calculate lambda m, that is molar conductivity, and G star. G star is cell constant. Lambda m is equals to K into 1000 divided by C, Siemens centimeter square per mole, or else lambda m is equals to K divided by C into 1000 Siemens meter square per mole. And the G star cell constant can be calculated by using the formula R into K. These are the different formulas we are using for the calculation of molar conductivity lambda m and cell constant G star. First problem on molar conductivity. Conductivity of 0.2 molar KCl solution at 298 Kelvin is 0.0248 Siemens per centimeter. Calculate the molar conductivity. Let me consider the solution part. First we will write the given data. C is equals to concentration is 0.2 molar, that is equals to 0.2 moles per liter. Conductivity value is given, K is equals to 0.0248 Siemens per centimeter. The unit of K is in Siemens per centimeter, that's why we have to use the formula lambda m is equals to K into 1000 divided by C. So lambda m is equals to, substitute the value of K, 0.0248 into 1000 divided by C. C value is 0.2, that is equals to 124 Siemens centimeter square per mole. That is the value of lambda m. Second question. Molar conductance of 0.1 molar KCl solution at 298 Kelvin is 124 Siemens centimeter square per mole. Calculate its conductivity. Let me consider the solution. Given data, concentration is equals to 0.1 molar, that is equals to 10 to the power minus 1 moles per liter. Lambda m is 124 Siemens centimeter square per mole. The unit of lambda m is Siemens centimeter square per mole. Hence, we have to use the formula lambda m is equals to K into 1000 divided by C. We are interested to calculate K. K is equals to lambda m into C divided by 1000. K is equals to lambda m into C divided by 1000. So here C is 10 to the power minus 1 moles per liter. Lambda m is 124 Siemens centimeter square per mole. So put the values. K is equals to 124 into 10 to the power minus 1 divided by 1000. K is equals to 124 into 10 to the power minus 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. 1000 is taken upside, it will become 10 to the power minus 3. K is equals to 124 into 10 to the power minus 4. Therefore, K is equals to 0.0124 Siemens per centimeter. Next question. The resistance of conductivity cell filled with 0.1 molar KCl solution is 100 ohm. If the resistance of same cell when filled with 0.02 molar KCl solution is 520 ohm, calculate the conductivity and molar conductivity of 0.02 molar KCl solution. The conductivity of 0.1 molar KCl solution is 1.29 Siemens per meter. Let me consider the solution. Case 1. In that, concentration is 0.1 molar or moles per liter. First case, it is 1 molar, 0.1 molar KCl is taken. In that R is 100 ohm and K is equals to 1.29 Siemens per meter. This is the first case. For this cell constant G star can be calculated by G star is equals to RK. So substitute the values. R is 100 ohm, K is 1.29. So it is equals to 129 per meter. The cell constant is 129 per meter. Case 2, in that C is 0.02 moles per liter and R is 520 ohm. K is how much? That we have to calculate. The conductivity we should calculate and lambda m also we should calculate. So we know that G star is equals to R into K. So G star divided by R is equals to K. So G star is equals to 129 per meter. We have calculated in the first case. Therefore, K is equals to 129 divided by 520. G star is 129, R is 520. That is equals to 0.24 Siemens per meter. And now we have to calculate lambda m. Lambda m is equals to K into 1000 divided by 1000 into C. That is equals to 0.24 divided by 1000 into 0.02. Answer will be 0.012 Siemens meter square per mole. Lambda m is 0.012 Siemens meter square per mole.